First we need to select the sky. To do that, very simple. Go to select, sky, and it's done. Then we create a new layer. We choose a brush tool, make sure it's a black color, and paint it over the selected area. Then go to select, deselect. We can rename the layer. With this layer, we will tell After Effects where we want animation to happen. So hide it for now, save it, and we go to After Effects. In After Effects, take Photoshop file, drag it into this area, then make sure it's composition and editable layer styles. Press OK. Then create new composition. I choose Full HD, 30 seconds. Go to Image Layers. Let's take the first one. If it's a higher resolution than Full HD, then right click, transform, fit to comp with. Then let's take another layer, SkyMate, and we do the same thing here. Right click, transform, fit to comp with. Now we can hide it. Then right click, new, solid. This will be our cloud animation. Then go to Effect, Noise, Fractal Noise. And this is where the magic starts. We choose here Cloudy, Noise Type, Spline. Then Contrast, let's reduce the brightness. Then to Transform, Scale, and uncheck Uniform Scaling. Then let's increase the width to create a similar shape to a cloud, and maybe I will reduce the scale as well. Now we will animate the clouds, make sure that time indicator at 0, offset turbulence, add a keyframe, drag it all the way to the end. Let's add 0. Preview animation, preview the speed. I'm satisfied. Now to add a little bit of more realism, we have to make sure that the clouds that are further in the distance move slower, while the clouds that are closer moves faster across the screen. And to do that, we go to Effect, Distort, Corner Pin, and then select Corner Pin by pressing here. And as you can see already, we have 4 pins on each corner. What we do here, hold Shift button so it snaps on a horizontal line. Let's drag it towards the center. And we do the same with this pin as well. Hold Shift, drag it to the center. And what we're gonna do with the top pins, we're gonna move them outwards. Also hold Shift, and we do the same here. Then we can scale it and move it to fit the sky area. Then we can go to TrackMate. If you don't see it, toggle switch, we set to SkyMate, and then the mode to screen. And as you can see, we're already having a clouds, nice clouds moving. If you want to increase contrast, go to Effect, Color Correction, Curves, and take this top handle and drag it to the left, about like that. And here you go. Now, in order to make it loop, we remove the TrackMate, right click, recompose, make sure move all attributes into the new composition, press OK, enter the composition, let's duplicate, edit, duplicate, and let's take 8 to 10 seconds. Edit, split layer. Let's delete the top one. Again, we split the same layer, split. This goes in front. Hold Shift to snap it, and this goes to back. Select all, press letter T to reveal opacity. And as always, let's make a smooth transition from one layer to another by adjusting keyframes. Be played. We have a smooth transition happening now. As you can see, it happens that we have this flicker at the very end. Now what you have to make sure that either at the very beginning or at the very end, we are missing one frame. So zoom in very closely. As you can see, this one is not starting at the 0 frame, so we just drag it. And if we play again, no jumps, no cuts, perfect. We can go back to screen, TrackMate Sky, and here you go. You can control the speed, you can make it as fast as you want, you can increase the contrast. The rest is totally depending on your creativity. Hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to stay creative.